Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I had recently reviewed a Sonoff camera, which is this one, the GK200. And Sonoff has released a new camera called the Slim Cam. Wow, this box is really small. Let's see how good the camera is. I have here the Sonoff Cam Slim. It is set up using the EV-Link app and has a full HD resolution. It has smart home features and is compatible with both Google Assistant and also Amazon Alexa. I think they need to rethink the combination of letters here. It spells cam. The camera can be linked to other Sonoff products to run smart home automation routines, which is why we also have the door sensor with us. This is the DW2, which is a Wi-Fi door sensor. I like that it is Wi-Fi and not Zigbee. Now back to the camera box. Let's get the camera out and set it up. There you go. It's really small and has the stand attached to it. The camera is the square unit on top. The stand is removable by unscrewing it from below, and we get a quarter 20 thread which allows mounting it onto our tripod. Push from behind and the camera pops off the stand. This is the front with the sensor in the middle and two IR LEDs on the sides. The back has a speaker grill, a reset button, and a USB-C charging port. Wow, that's nice. Also, the holes you see on the back corners align with the stand, allowing for a secure mount. On top, we have a micro SD card slot. The lower part is magnetic, making it easy to mount anywhere magnetic. We can also use this 3M tape to mount the stand to non-magnetic areas. Here's the manual, standard mini manual. There's a lot of info, so make sure to read through. A USB-C power cable is provided and the USB-C port is angled, making it easier to mount the camera closer to the wall. We are also provided screws for a more secure mounting solution. Let's power the camera on and set it up. There we go. We can see the two red IR LEDs in front, which helps with night vision. We have this little pin which is used to poke through the reset hole on the camera. Poke it through and the camera factory resets and boots back up in pairing mode. Using the EV-Link app on the phone, tap on Add Device, Sound Pairing, select Wi-Fi, Next, and the phone plays an audio which transmits the Wi-Fi credentials to the camera. Once the Wi-Fi credentials are transmitted, the camera connects to your Wi-Fi and the app pops up a page where we can name it and also select where it's located. Done. Now we can see the live feed. The image looks nice and crisp. The stand is magnetic, which allows sticking it to magnetic surfaces. So cool. This is a stationary camera, so it needs to be oriented manually, but it is quite flexible in how it can be oriented and it keeps its position. I am installing a memory card into the camera, which requires us to remove it from the stand to access the slot on top. Push the memory card in, and it's not easy to push in, and I use the reset pin to insert it completely. Now we are set. Looking at the video quality, it's quite clear. We can also run the camera using a power bank. Nice. We can run automations as per triggers from other Sonoff devices or also via this camera. So to test that, let's install the door sensor. This has to be purchased separately. Similar mini manual is provided with the door sensor. These stickers are for the two sections of the door sensor. Here are the two parts. The big one has power and the main sensor. The small sensor has a magnet within which, when brought close to the bigger section, provides the close signal. When the small sensor is moved away, it provides an open signal. Using this, we can find out if the door was opened, is open or closed. This device uses two AAA batteries, great as compared to the CR2032 button cells used in Zigbee models. To see a video of Sonoff Zigbee sensors, check it out here. The app enables viewing the video feed remotely from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Video playback and recording is at 1080p, night vision is good and you can see the objects clearly in pitch darkness. The night vision IR LEDs are automatically activated in low light and visibility is estimated to be around 15 meters. Two-way communication is initiated using this button here. Here's the audio quality.
So this is how the two-way audio sounds on the camera. And I think it is good enough for communicating with whoever is at the door.
We can manually start recording using this button, and also a snapshot button is available to take a quick snapshot. We can mute the audio, select the stream quality between SD and HD using these options here. and we can see the current frame rate. We have a full screen button here. On the top right, we have the settings where we can set the name, update the firmware, and more. I'm interested in motion detection and local record options. Motion detection option, if activated, will send you an alert to your phone, and we can set the sensitivity here. A motion alarm can be set up, which will sound an audible alarm when motion is detected. The motion alarm can be set to activate during certain times so that you don't trigger it accidentally. MicroSD card storage is supported, and it can support up to 256 GB cards. We also have a cloud storage option which can be activated via the app, which enables the videos to be stored onto an external server and accessible even if the camera is stolen or damaged. It is a paid service, but a 30-day trial is available. More settings, or in a way advanced settings, we have the options to set the speaker volume, mic sensitivity, time zone. This is important as the date and time is stamped onto the video. You can restart the camera from here. RTSP streaming is supported if you want to use a third-party app to view the feed. We can also view the feed on the PC. If the camera is installed on the ceiling, we can use the rotate option here to make it right side up on the app. We can view the video feed on a Google Home with a display or Amazon's Echo Show devices. I have the Echo Show and this is how it works. We can set up smart scenes for when motion is detected on the camera. You can control devices on the EV-Link app. We can set up smart scenes on the EV-Link app, and here I have the door sensor. When the door sensor is open, the alarm plays on the camera. Once closed, the alarm on the camera also stops. Well, I've tested quite a lot of cameras, and the S-Cam is a great compact security camera. It does have some software niggles, but it is easy to install, especially due to its size and mounting options. And smart device interconnectivity is the USP of this camera via the software, of course. And the S-Cam is the second camera in Sonof's inventory. So the software side will update as more cameras are released. Pricing is similar to most IP cameras in the market, which is currently around 2,340 rupees or $30 US. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.